Hi guys, my name is Manoj Kumar and I am here to discuss the problems what Indian farmers are facing in agriculture, cultivating, etc. And I came with a method to improve the method of use of pesticides in agriculture in India. This is a research paper we have done on based on taking many examples. Here I am going to discuss about the abstract where we can see the problems faced by Indian farmers because in India the we people lies in four regions: north, south, east, west. Depending upon the region, people what they eat differs. So the cultivation they go for the crop also differs. So the pesticides also differs. For example, if you take one area, it is able to produce one type of crop, whereas if we take another area, it is different. Now depending upon the land, the type of crop produced is different. So I'm here to explain how to overcome these situations. Abstract really I'm going to discuss now. Agriculture plays an important role in India's economy. So you can see that the main income of India is agriculture. Almost 50% of the rural people depends on the agriculture. Their income, India's income mainly is from agriculture. It is almost equals to 58%. One of the problems that Indian farmers face today is using pesticides in correct way. That is, some pesticides work in some lands properly. For suppose, if a pesticide works fine in Chennai, then the manufacturer in Chennai made pesticides based on the land conditions. But if the same pesticides used in Nellore, they will not work because of the different land conditions. As I said, the land has different features. I mean, the it is able to take only some pesticides, some minerals, whereas another land it has a different minerals. Some in some areas water is very good, availability of water is very good, whereas in some other area it is not good. Some crops does require more water, whereas some crop doesn't require water much. To rectify the above problems, we are developing a website that shows all about different pesticides that work in those areas. So we took different areas, and depending on that we have taken the data required, such as minerals required, water, what the quantity of required, which crop requires what the minerals, such as like that. And so in future farmers can search about the pesticides that work in their areas, which will work fine in their areas. We developed this project using HTML, PHP and MySQL languages. And introduction, this is mainly we have done this paper keeping on eye on India's agriculture farm. India's agriculture is made out of numerous crops with the premier nourishment staples being rice and wheat. Indian ranchers likewise develop beets, potatoes, sugarcane, oil seeds and such as non-nourishment things as cotton, tea, espresso, elastic and jute. You can see that there are people staying in India such as farmers, they produce different crops and different in different locations. India is a fisheries monster also. An aggregate catch of around 3 million metric tons yearly positions India among world's top angling countries. Due to this, more farming, it is India is in top 10 countries where farming is main source.
Yeah, guys, I'll be discussing about the introduction with a few more points in order what it was discussed by our colleague. To improve crop that is cultivated have diseases due to some worms, etc. To prevent these diseases for better outcome, farmers spray pesticides. If pesticides work properly, then yield of crop is highly otherwise. The yield is low. Then farmers got lost after working hard for months. The main reason for this is farmer in India are illiterate and they don't know what the pesticides contain. So to make the farmers aware of pesticides which they have to use for a particular disease in crop, we are developing a website that gives some names of pesticides that can reduce the disease in the crop. In this way, we reduce disease in crop at the same time increase the production of the crop. Uh, Now I'll be moving on. I'll be discussing about the literature review also. In present agriculture system, farmers goes to the near pesticide shop and buy a pesticide by telling the disease of the crop, but he really don't know whether it works or not. Sometimes they work the yield may be good or not. Here the problem arises when the pesticides which the farmer apply doesn't work. The outcome of this problem is not only the less profit but also the decrease of nutrients in the land. Uh, the present system disadvantages are decrease in the outcome of crop, loss of valuable natural nutrients in fields, and I'll be discussing about the implementation also. Uh, to create this product, we need to build a website that takes the details such as area, soil type, crop, disease, the farmer from the farmer, and gives the right suggestion of pesticides to the farmer. This product contains three parts which are interrelated with each other as shown below. First of all, we'll be having a front end which is connected to the server and then to the database. The next thing, the front end and the next detailing will be done by the other colleague, and it's decided.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Now I am going to tell you how to create the front end for this project. To create the front end, we will create a HTML file. In HTML file, inside the head tag, we make the title tag as fetch the right pesticide, and in body, mark the style as text align in center, and then create a header which colors the details. Enter the details in the form. Inside the form tag, we will get the details like land type, name, area, and etc. Now we created the front end, that is HTML page, which we can take the details like land and other things. We will send these details to PHP file. In server side programming, we are using PHP programming. In PHP, first we are going to connect this PHP server to database. After connecting to database, we will collect the details which farmer entered in the front end, then send the details to the database, so that we can retrieve the pesticide suggested pesticide from the database. Like suppose in paddy, the pesticide like here it is the tilt in Chennai, that is the suggested pesticide for farmer. In database there are three tables. First one is pesticide, which contains the tables, which contains the columns like pesticide ID, pesticide name, manufactured at, and other things. And area, in area table, columns, it contains the columns like area ID, area name, soil type, cultivated crops. And in farmer table, the columns are farmer name, area, disease, etc. So we are going to take the rating from the farmer and store it in the pesticide table. Based on the rating, we are going to suggest the which pesticide we have to use. Okay, we will suggest that one in next one. Okay, finally the output screen is like this. A tilt screen, tilt Chennai and Indo sulfur are the suggested pesticide for the farmer, for which the details given by the farmer. Okay, now we're going to conclude this one. After creating this website, farmer will get good pesticides by searching in the website, and the profit also increases. So the outcome of this product is the income of India also increases, because agriculture is the primary sector of India, so that income of India also increases. But it has some disadvantages as well as advantages also. The advantages are no need of more investment for this project, because it's a website, right? No need of any investment. And second thing, it improves the yield of agriculture, thereby increases the income of India. And there are some disadvantages. In India, a lot of farmers are illiterate, so they don't know the knowledge of using internet. That's the only drawback of this product. And references Andhra.